Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust center pull brakes. First, loosen the cable anchor bolt on the brake caliper to release all tension from the brake cable. Next, ensure your brake pads are clean and free of any debris that could affect braking performance. Position each brake pad so it is about 2 to 3 millimeters from the rim surface. Finally, confirm that both brake arms move freely and smoothly without any sticking or resistance. Now pull the brake cable taut with one hand while retightening the anchor bolt securely with the other. Squeeze the brake lever about 5 to 10 times to properly seat the brake pads against the rim. Adjust the angle of each pad so it makes full, even contact with the rim surface. It is crucial that the pads do not touch the tire or dive underneath the rim when braking. To center the brake arms, use a small Allen key or screwdriver to adjust the spring tension screws on each arm. Turn the barrel adjuster on the brake lever or caliper to fine-tune the cable tension, achieving the desired lever feel. Both brake pads should engage the rim simultaneously when the lever is squeezed. This ensures even pad wear and consistent, reliable braking power. Before riding, always test your newly adjusted brakes at a slow speed in a safe area. The brake lever should stop about 1 inch, or 25 millimeters, from the handlebar when fully squeezed. Double-check that all bolts, especially the cable anchor bolt, are securely tightened. It is a good practice to recheck your brake adjustments after the first few rides to account for any cable stretch or pad settling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.